morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Jumping straight in, it is actually the 3rd of November today and I haven't vlogged for the last 2 days. It's actually almost midday here right now, and the reason for that is because I am in a endo flare. I have not even posted last week's vlog yet. I'm sitting here trying to edit it now to get it up, but I have worked the last few days. So Monday, Tuesday I worked. Monday I was fine until about 2-3 p.m. and then it just hit me out of nowhere, and I had gone to the shops. So I was in the middle of the shopping centre and I had to run for a toilet. I didn't have any of my sick bags on me or anything because I just went to the local shopping centre that was close to me. Didn't have no supplies on me. So that teaches me that I really need to be carrying it everywhere. But yeah, unfortunately, I was literally in the middle of Kmart and I had to ask the lady to hold my stuff because I had to go, and I bolted, and I think I spent about 45 minutes in the toilets and then I came back, and I did purchase the stuff that I had in there. So I'd actually gone to the shops to see if I could get some Halloween stuff for next year, because normally like the day after or a few days after they put everything on sale. So I just wanted to prep for next year early and create like a Halloween tub, but everything was gone. It had all magically turned into Christmas stuff. So anyway, I brought a few things for Christmas. And not too much, but yeah, I did purchase a few things. I will show you when I decorate the house in Christmas stuff what I did get. But I had to get home pretty quickly because when I'm in a flare, like nothing is normal. So I need to be close to a toilet, I need to be close to a shower. So I was in a lot of pain on Monday night. I did cook dinner and just tried to get through the night, but I only slept, I think, for about 2.5-3 hours according to my Fitbit, because I was in a lot of pain. Then I tried to get through yesterday working, and I was absolutely miserable, running backwards and forwards, like to the toilet to be sick. I couldn't keep anything down, so that wasn't fun. I ended up having to have some really strong meds last night to get some sleep, and the amount of showers that I've taken in the last, let's say, 36 hours is insane, to use the hot water for my pain. But I'm still not 100% today, but I'm able to keep food down at the moment. I've just been drinking a lot of water even though it hasn't been staying down. I'm having some pretty bad hot flushes, as you can probably tell. I haven't brushed my hair. So yeah, I look at quite a mess, but I am in bed with heat packs whilst having hot flushes. Fun times. It's really great when heat's the only thing that does anything and you have hot flushes. But yeah, anyways, my desk that I ordered from IKEA is coming today, so I have to get dressed and look some sort of normal so they can deliver it. I am not going to physio today because I don't think I can manage it at all. So yeah, I'm pretty much just taking it easy today because it is better than yesterday, yes, but I don't want it to like get worse again. So I need to give my body some rest. So I have zoomed you out a bit, but this is now the lounge room all done. So I put my wedding cabinet back together. The letterbox that Morgan built is going to go here, but I think we might need a table. I don't know yet. It's too heavy for me to carry, so Morgan's going to have to do that. And then I just did some cute little decor in here and took out 2 of the boxes. Little blanket box over there. There's my crystal cabinet. There's my fur babies that have passed away up there. And I normally have a picture down here of my mum at her wedding, but it is packed in a different box, so I need to find it still. Obviously, the dogs. And then I have just popped some new cushions on the couch. Ignore that, that's the boxes I've just finished with, and that's my dressing gown. So we do want to put some pictures up here, but I think we might get some pictures done of the fur babies. But it feels a lot more open in here now. We don't feel so close. Well, I certainly don't. So yeah, that is the lounge room done for now. Hey guys, welcome to Thursday the 4th of November. You can hear her breathing. It is Evie. She doesn't like the car very much unless you touch her. If you touch her, she'll stop. I am feeling miles better today than what I was for the last few days. I'm still not 100%, obviously. It doesn't go away that quickly. But still feeling better is a massive improvement. I was able to work today and actually function normally, and I think I got a lot of work done today, which was good. I'm just heading to drop the dogs off at the mother-in-law's because we have the gardener coming, and he's coming between now and 5 p.m. basically, and he's spraying all the weeds, and the gardener is like organized by the owners because the lawns were not obviously left in a good condition, so they just want to get the lawns back up to looking good, so then we can take over, because obviously it's a lot of work to be done and I'm not a lawn expert. So yeah, he's coming to spray the weeds, and then in like 2 weeks time then he's coming to do the gardens, which is a bit annoying. I have an accountant appointment today at 4 p.m. For Morgan's business, so I had to go because I need to get the appointment over and done with. So I'm going to drop the dogs off at the mother-in-law's and then head over to the accountant, and hopefully finalise our taxes for the year, figure out how much tax left Morgan has to pay, and yeah, go from there. Other than that, nothing really important, I don't think. Hey guys, welcome to Friday the 5th of November. It is actually like 7 p.m. right now. I'm doing a really late check-in. I've had a super busy day today. I went shopping with the mother-in-law because one of our City Chic stores is closing down and they had nothing over $30. Those clothes are going to come in a video soon, so keep an eye out for that. It will be a separate video. And then we decluttered all my clothes, so my clothes is covered by half now. So I have 3 tubs worth of clothing that I need to sell. I've got massive giant packing bag full of clothes that I am donating, and then I have 2 bags left of clothing that I'm keeping. That's not in my cupboard at the moment because we still need to get some drawers or something, so I've just popped them back in the bags for now until we organize that. I also worked on my giveaway, so keep an eye on that. I'm hoping that will come maybe next week, or the week after, because I want to try, no, probably next week, I reckon, because I want to try and announce it to be able to send it before Christmas. So It is a massive giveaway. It's probably going to be the biggest one that I've done so far. So keep an eye on that. I have tons of stuff. And that's pretty much it. I am absolutely exhausted. I was wearing my Right Hero collared shirt and I matched my makeup to it today. It was the colourful tie-dye one, but I now just have like a casual white shirt on. But I had a really nice day, but I'm absolutely shattered now, so I am looking forward to having a sleep. I'm about to cook dinner. Morgan's in the shower right now. You could probably hear it because these walls are like paper thin. You can't watch TV when someone's in the shower. Like, that is all shower noise. So yeah, there you go. Now can you tell the difference between the shower being on and shower not? Because it's just been turned off. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I think I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to Saturday the 6th of November. It is midday right now. Morgan is driving at the moment. We've just been to the dentist for Morgan. He's had his teeth cleaned and a checkup, and now we are heading home. I am not feeling 100% today, so I probably won't do much today. Morning guys. It is actually Monday morning, but I just wanted to do a check-in and a quick outro for this week's vlog because I forgot to yesterday. It is currently 5:30. I'm about to start work at 6 o'clock, so thought I'd just come and quickly check in before I jump in the shower and get ready for the day. Yesterday the mother-in-law came over. We actually went to the shops and got a few Christmas things to get ready for Christmas, and we had a little barbecue, just the three of us, so that was nice. But other than that, really didn't do much. Morgan wasn't feeling well yesterday. His gums are still a little bit sore from the dentist. I think I mentioned that we went to the dentist on Saturday. I hope I did anyway. We went to the dentist on Saturday, if I didn't mention that. And they did like a massive like checkup, and they had to do a massive clean of his teeth, so his gums are a little bit sore from that. Hopefully he's all right today though. But that's pretty much it for this week. So if you can hear snoring, Evie's in here snoring down there. Yes, so I will chat to you guys in next week's vlog, but I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys.